In this video we're going to look at Bitcoin because yes, exactly in these levels I told you I'm bullish, and exactly here I uploaded the previous video. Banks will crash, Bitcoin dump cancelled, and we saw this massive breakout exactly as I predicted. So we're going to look at the chart of Bitcoin to find out what can we expect. Was this just a major fake out and we could expect this continuation towards the downside? Or was this the turning point and we could expect that Bitcoin is going to break out from these levels? And if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell so that you always stay up to date. And welcome back to Be For Crypto. Yes guys, we saw this massive breakout. After we got this rejection exactly here from the FOMC meeting, we came all the way back down to the previous support. So this bounce broke out from these levels, and at the moment we can see yes, we are holding this trend line on the 4-hour chart perfectly, but we can also see it's above the 13 moving average exactly here. So this is going to be the line that we need to hold, otherwise we could expect that Bitcoin is going to come all the way back down to the 38.2, which is all the way at the levels of 42,270 US dollars, where we can also see this major support band where we also have the 50, 200 and 100 moving average exactly within this zone. But ultimately guys, I could expect that Bitcoin is going to come all the way back up, form a higher high and try to break back above this major trend line and also this major resistance zone, which is perfectly at our next major level, the 61.8 on the daily chart exactly here. So this is going to be extremely important that Bitcoin is going to break above these major trend lines and that we could reclaim this major resistance zone, because yes, it was previous resistance exactly here and also here where the price movement came all the way up into the zone. We were forming the sideways consolidation. We had this ETF pump all the way to the levels of 49,000. Now we saw this major sell-off, and guys, yes, if we're going to zoom out, we can see this bullish structure that we are forming on the daily chart. This is going to be the left shoulder, the head, and also the right shoulder exactly here. So this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern with a price target. If we're going to drag it from the neckline all the way to the lows, we're going to drag it over to the potential breakout point, which could be exactly here. We're going to reach a price target of yes, the previous high. So ultimately this would be a pump of all the way up to the 50,000 US dollar level, because yes, I told you in the previous video that I'm not going to turn bearish exactly in these levels, because yes, we have seen this before form a high. So this major pullback of 20%, we dumped 21%, and in the previous consolidation we have formed a high. So this dump of 22% pumped all the way up, so this consolidation, and this dump of 20% pumped all the way back up, went 21% down, and then we saw this massive move towards the upside all the way up to the local high. And yes guys, we're seeing that BlackRock entered exactly here, and once again we saw this healthy retracement of around about 21%. So ultimately I could expect that we're going to range within this zone, maybe form a higher high, but ultimately this is going to be my major accumulation zone before the Bitcoin halving. And yes, you exactly know what is going to happen after the Bitcoin halving, which is roundabout in April. We're going to see this parabolic run towards the upside. So yes guys, make sure to dollar cost average into Bitcoin and some of the major altcoins. And if you want to buy all these cryptocurrencies on the spot market or trade it with a leverage, go down in the video description below and sign up with my links where you receive a massive deposit bonus. So ultimately I'm extremely bullish that we're going to see this breakout on the daily chart exactly from this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and that we're going to come all the way to the first price target, the 61.8 over the weekend. So this is going to be my ultimate price target. And if you want to find out more about altcoins, make sure to watch my upcoming videos about altcoins that you definitely should hold in your portfolio. And guys, be for crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.